So this book is about 13 prescription for success in life, in health, in your life, and I'll bring work first. And in work, most of the time I say I'm successful on the basis of the designation written under my name. Now I'm a medical representative. I'm successful because now I have become area manager. Now I have become charge of zone, state. Now I have become head of business. But your next chapter says that we are a blend, not a badge. So if we are not a badge, then how I'll see whether I am successful or not? How I'll go and tell my parents I have become successful? तो मेरे से पूछे कि क्या बन गए तुम? तो उनको बताना पड़ता है मैं क्लास में फर्स्ट आया हूँ, मैं रेस में सेकंड आया हूँ, मैं कंपनी में ये बन गया. But you
लीडर बन गया,
मैं लीडर
बन गया.
But here you are suggesting, advocating that we are not badges.
Yeah, but I personally believe that there is a blend of child, adult and parent in all of us.
जी.
Like when you're going on a long tour and you tell your son कि I would be out, now you are the man of the family, take care of everyone.
Yes,
He'll stand, हाँ don't worry, मैं देख लूँगा सब.
जी.
So that child start acting as a parent. कहते मैं इनको भी देख लूँगा, बहन भाई को भी देख लूँगा, मम्मी को भी देख लूँगा, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को भी देख लूँगा, आप फिक्र नहीं करो. So there is a parent in that child which has emerged. So similarly, you might be a parent to your child, but when you go to your mother, she'll rebuke you. Rakesh, you are stupid. इतनी बात भी तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आती. Now you are child to your mother. So your child can become a parent, your child can become an adult, you can become a child to your mother कि आप अच्छा सॉरी हो गलती, अब आगे से ध्यान रखूंगा. कि नहीं तुम बेवकूफ़ हो, सीखते ही नहीं हो, हर बार से ऐसे ही बोलते हो तुम कि अच्छा आप ध्यान रखूंगा, हो गया. So mother, she treats you like a child and you also plead like a child to her. So we all stay a combination of child, adult and parent. And these are situational.
Right.
You might become child before your your grandparents or things like this, or you can become a parent to your subordinate. कि don't worry, मैं देख लूँगा ना, फेल हो गए मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, पास हो गए तुम्हारी मेहनत है. तो पेरेंट, तो you don't have to be parent to be parent.
Right.
So we are blend of all this. A person who is a manager, who is a leader, he is more of parent irrespective of the age. He is more parent to more people. So the person depends, मतलब what role you want to play, attribute to yourself. So if you think कि they are like children to me, जैसे बच्चों की सक्सेस के लिए एक पेरेंट खुश होता है, मैं इनकी सक्सेस के लिए खुश हूँ, और वो सचमुच अगर आपके साथ अंदर है वो, तो यू आर पेरेंट इन ट्रू सेंस.
Right.
So we all stay blend.
It means that whatever position I am working, I cannot be just a parent or just an adult or just a child. With the same people, sometime I will be playing parent or adult or a child.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah. Now the degree varies, only degree which varies, and it becomes situational. Your parent, when you go home, and you might be a child
Grown up.
or just an adult. When you're working with your colleagues, you are just acting as adult. With juniors, you are working as parent.
Right.
So these things are situational and individualistic.
Right.
So we can become more of one, but small of the other thing. So there is 100% purity does not prevail. Even in this atmosphere, लेनी तो हमें ऑक्सीजन होती है ना जिंदा रहने के लिए, पर ऑक्सीजन तो 20% है, 80% नाइट्रोजन और अदर गैसेस है. The complete purity does not prevail.
Right.
We are blunt,
Right.
all of us.
Sir, it is not only matlab, when you have covered this chapter in the book, the 13 prescription for success, it means when I am interacting with people, that time also I should stay aware that who is speaking in the person, whether it's a child speaking or an adult speaking or a parent speaking.
Yeah.
So I should give that kind of treatment to the person. कभी अभी तो बच्चा बोल रहा है, अभी इससे बात करने बुजुर्गों वाली इसे फैक्ट बताने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Let him come out of it, then we can reason out.
Yeah.
Now at present situation I need to treat him as a child क्योंकि ये वो वैसे ही बात कर रहा है. So that is the relevance to this chapter as far as this book is concerned.
Yeah, these are very situational, very individualistic, and when you are leading or managing, then you should see when somebody is talking, you should know who is talking.
Who is talking?
Is a child in the person, or is a parent in the child, the
Right.
person who is talking,
Right.
and then accordingly you should.
Right. That's very thoughtful. That's very educative, sir. And even our responses also we can take a call okay, that this situation I need to respond as a child. I should have that exuberance of child. I should have enthusiasm. I should say and never can fail. I can fall and get up. It's good even if I cry, no problem. I can laugh out loud. So in this situation I can be a child, but here I need to take my decision like an adult because it matters to so many people. These are the consequences. So I need to behave like an adult. So in both the situation, whether I am taking my decision for myself or I am in interaction with somebody, I should remain aware of these three possible situations.
Yeah.
Right.
So there can be adult which act like a child in a particular situation.
Ji.
Like somebody in the company only, that person told me, and that day the person really flared up and she was crying and she was saying, आपको मेरे में कुछ भी अच्छा नजर नहीं आता. You tell me to send congratulations letters to so many people, and so many times I do every time this. You talk good of everyone. You have never told me ever.
Congratulations.
Yeah, I've done also something nice. I don't do anything good. I'm good for nothing. And the person became very, very emotional and I became very apologetic. Ultimately, I said, I'm so sorry. I took you for granted. नहीं, I agree with you. I respect your emotions. नहीं, तुम्हें बहुत कुछ अच्छा, ये भी अच्छा. कहते नहीं, मेरे कहने पे बताया ना अब आपने. वैसे तो आपको नजर ही नहीं आता मेरे में कुछ भी. सारी दुनिया अच्छी है, मैं ही बेकार हूँ सबसे. So as a child in the person, then you have to
Become parent.
deal with a person like this. So even with very senior people on occasion, but you should never take things for granted.
Right.
At a very senior position, and person said कि मुझे तो कभी याद नहीं कि आपने मेरी कभी तारीफ की हो. क्या सचमुच मेरे अंदर कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं है, सब बेकार ही, हम कुछ नहीं किया मैंने आज तक. तो मैंने रियलाइज किया नहीं यार, मैंने आई टुक यू फॉर ग्रांटेड, ऐसा नहीं है, तुमने बहुत कुछ अच्छा किया. सो माई आइडिया इज what I'm trying to convey, that we should be taking a conscious call.
We should stand sensitive to this.
किसी ने अच्छा किया तो उसकी तारीफ करनी चाहिए. Child in the person would feel very delighted about it.
Right.
Like sometime even with a child you should have adult to adult conversation.
Right.
And likewise you should know when you should be parent to whom and when you should be child to whom.
Right.
And when you should be adult to whom. So we should be a right blend.
Right.
And right situational role we should be playing it.
Okay. So it is not about the badge that I was talking of, that designation, but it is of these three maturity levels.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.